stronger wind gusts coming on shore now in Sugarland. Whole neighborhood is without power now. We're in a tornado watch until 10 a.m. I expect a couple of tornado warnings coming through. I just hope power gets restored fairly soon. We could be without power for 18 days, is what some of the predictions are. But the storm's getting really bad now. I am outside, guided by a flashlight. Let's head inside. Alright, Daddy, so what you got going on in here?
Mommy.
Ooh, scary. And Dad's on his BlackBerry again.
Let's light candles instead of burning up our flashlights.
Alright.
Okay.
Wait, we're gonna need them for lighting candles.
Yeah.
Let's see, it is... Well, I can't tell what time it is. It's 9:50 p.m. That outer band's coming in. So, it's a matter of time before the weather radio goes off. If it's got shear with it. Lighting candles in the bathroom. If those hurricane winds and the tornado winds start getting real bad, I'm going to move the birdies upstairs.
Okay. You think that would be the best place for them?
Well, I mean, is it worse being upstairs or worse being next to a window? What would you think?
Yeah. Probably worse being next to a window.
Yeah.